We're gonna do Javante Keith Turner. Javante Keith Turner, would you please come forward? Mr. Turner, would you please stand in front of the bench? This is cause number 23CCCR 0760, case of style of state of Texas versus Javante Keith Turner. Mr. Turner, is that your full name? Mr. Turner, how are you doing? You doing all right? Mr. Turner, you're represented in your case by your attorney Thomas Burbank. Attorney Burbank, how are you doing?
Doing fine, Judge.
And the state is represented in this case by Attorney Erica Porter. Attorney Porter, how are you doing?
I'm great, Your Honor. How about yourself?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Burbank, what is your announcement in Mr. Turner's case?
Your Honor, I guess the issue first is I saw somewhere on the docket that he was hiring his own attorney from the last time. Am I still his court-appointed attorney, or did he hire somebody?
No, he hadn't hired nobody. I still see you as on the docket, Thomas Burbank, right?
Somebody in my office saw that he was hiring or going to seek to hire other counsel. But if that's not true, then I need him to make an appointment to come on in so that I can go over the paperwork with him and get an offer from the state and see if we can reach an agreement, or we're going to have a trial.
Okay. Now, Mr. Turner, you haven't hired an attorney, have you? Okay. That was in the beginning. Okay, but I guess he's changed. Okay.
Okay, that's fine, Judge.
Okay, give us a reset date.
He needs to call me to make an appointment. I'll get him right in, and I'll send off a request to the prosecutor on possible settlement.
Okay, what's that reset date? Okay, this case will be reset to June 17th, 2024. Mr. Turner, you're gonna get a copy of your reset here in court. Once you get a copy of your reset, you're free to go. Make sure you contact your attorney and stay in contact with your bondsman. The information to contact your attorney will be on the reset. Isn't that correct?
Yes.
Okay, please stand in front of the court coordinator and get your reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. Next case is cause number 23CCCR 0198. Case of style of state of Texas versus Arturo Varela. Mr. Varela, would you please come forward? Mr. Varela, your full name is Arturo Varela?
Yes, Your Honor.
How are you doing, Mr. Varela?
I'm doing good, Your Honor. How about yourself?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Mr. Varela. You're also represented in your case by your attorney, Thomas Burbank. Attorney Burbank, what is your announcement in Mr. Varela's case?
Your Honor, today or yesterday, early this morning, I guess it's early this morning, we requested consideration under the pretrial diversion from the district attorney. He has been rejected. So based on that, I'm going to be asking a request from the prosecutor for an offer to settle and then get with my client. So if I may have one reset and see if we can't get this resolved.
Okay, give us a, okay, this case will also be reset to June 17th. Mr. Varela, stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. You're gonna get in line behind Mr. Turner and get your reset. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Burbank, your resets will be sent to you. You're free to go as well and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Your Honor, and have a great weekend.
Thank
Your
you.
Honor.
You're welcome. We're gonna call them out one at a time. Okay. Mr. Takash,
Yes, Your Honor.
how are you doing?
Very good. How are you?
I'm doing all right. We're still trying to see if they can locate local counsel.
I just, if I can interrupt, I just got a call from Mr. Boudreaux's office. Apparently, he just walked into his office. And so he won't be there. I guess he forgot about these cases. I apologize.
Okay. Okay, let's see. We have calls number 23CCCR 1939, cases style of state of, well, and calls number 23CCCR 1940, both cases of style of state of Texas versus John Galen Crosby. Mr. Crosby, would you please come forward? How are you doing, Mr. Crosby? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Crosby, you're representing your cases by your attorney, Todd Takash, and there's local counsel, Mr. Don Boudreaux, who is not here today. Mr. Takash, what is your announcement? Are you going to be asking that these cases be reset?
No, I'd like to plea him today if we could.
Okay, now if we're going to do that by video conference, we would have to send to you the video conference paperwork. I think it's Article 27.18 that has to be signed by you and your client in order for that to
Okay.
happen. Okay. And what I'm going to do, Mr. Crosby, just have a seat. Let's see. The only other problem is that the tablet needs to be signed. We have our you know what? We got some paperwork. Don't we have it on paper? We can send it to them. No, the plea papers. We can fax all of that to them. Yes. Yeah.
I think you just went on mute, Your Honor.
Yeah, I was just telling them it should be the waiver. That's the same paper, right? The same paperwork we gave to Mr. Patlin to sign. Okay, go to the next folder. Just keep going, and it should be keep going.
This is one of them now.
No. But I'm thinking there's one where there's a whole packet.
Okay, table packet.
Right. Right. Okay.
You want me to grab the?
Yeah.
That's it's attached it already.
Okay, what we'll be able to, what we would have to do, we would have to fax the paperwork to you or email it.
Okay.
Okay, now we also have clause number 23CCCR 1871, case of style of state of Texas versus James Estee Gill. Is that correct? James Gill? Estes, Ms., would you please come forward? Okay, Mr. Gill, how are you doing?
Good.
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Gill, you're represented by your attorney Todd Takash. And Mr. Takash, will you be doing the same thing in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Gill, just have a seat. And